So now I just need to put it in and solder it?
Yep. That's good. Doing real good. You like soldering?
Mm-hmm.
It's a lot of fun, isn't it? Putting two pieces together with that solder. Heat it up and it'll come undone. There you go. Okay, can you get these two pins again?
Those
A
two?
little bit more solder on there.
These two?
Yeah, that one and the next one underneath of it. There you go. Excellent. Good job. Now that board will work. It's got a brand new IC on there. You're good at soldering.
Thank you.
We'll take that down to the cleaning station and we'll clean that flux rosin off of there.
Okay, could I do it?
Yeah, you sure can.